And a big thank you to MMD for inviting us today. We had a lot of fun.
Sino po standouts nyo last night's swimsuit challenge? I have to say, parang ang ganda ng stage and ang ganda ng bikinis. Yung favorite ko ay si... Sino
Makati!
Ay, may nagsalita na naman.
Hello, madlang people. Madam Eljon, hello. Nasa Manila ka na ba?
Eljon.
Hello, Eljon. Kamusta ang Boracay? We just got back from our annual Angels Walk 2024. To those that have been tagging me, to those that were there, maraming salamat. If you guys saw my little emotional part towards the end, just wanted to say thank you for all the love. And to these two, and plus Rian, who has workshop downstairs. I mean, not downstairs. Somewhere doing her workshop in her workshop place.
So
yeah, it was fun.
I mean, I super love that I made these two dance TikToks.
Oh yeah, we were dancing.
That was fun.
Yeah. We do that every year.
Yung pa-TikTok, like with like the major sponsors and guests. Ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's
That's
I think
cool.
1 year we did Tala by Sarah G. Also. And then last year with MUPH we also did like a little dance too, remember?
Oh, with the kids. With the kids.
Exactly.
Okay.
There's always like something.
Sampan dancing. Oh.
Yeah, it was really fun. They had so many talented kids and people performing. Ganda the piano. They played Bohemian Rhapsody on the piano.
That was so galing.
Bongga.
Yeah, that guy was so talented.
Yeah. I was actually supposed to sing with Martin Rivera on stage, but I didn't anymore. I just felt like I just couldn't, guys. Just trust me when I say I couldn't. But I am next year.
Couldn't what?
I couldn't sing this
Why?
week. No, because yesterday I lost my voice, remember? And then I didn't have the voice to be able to practice with him and or record anything. So instead of risking not having a voice today,
Hi, Earl.
then
Sorry, I just saw hi Mao. Hi!
Someone keeps selling or
Mao, are
tagging
you
me.
Miss Universe? I found her TikTok so funny.
Thank you.
It was so funny. This girl is so like she could be a comedian.
I felt so stupid. I honestly thought, like, man, I look great today. No, they were just looking for Arbany.
I think it's one of the biggest compliments though.
Yeah. And then they're like, oh, Miss Universe, beanie. Okay, I know where to take you. So
Miss
funny.
Universe yeah. Miss
Oh, and it's tonight. It's the premiere of Mao's first movie. So please do support her. Pa-trend yun na
Michelle's
naman
in
si
it.
Mao.
Michelle's
Oh
in
yeah,
it.
I'm in it for a bit too.
No, she has an actual part. I don't have a character name. I'm an extra.
You don't have a character name?
No, I did, and they gave my part to somebody else. Rude. I cried. Honestly, I don't know if you were
Rude.
there
She
that
said
day.
rude.
At workshop, like the day before we started shooting, they're like, by the way, we gave your part away. I cried. The
It's-
chismes.
It's a sign, Mao. You should join next time.
Honestly, I'm warming up to the idea. I told myself no, but I'm warming up. Let's
To
see.
the idea of show business? Movies?
No, to Miss Universe Philippines.
Oh. Where's my brain?
Maybe all of the above. Who knows?
Sige, game ako. Game ako, Mark. MRTR. Tagalog challenge. Let's go. Ay,
Go.
Tara.
Maligayang kaarawan, Binibining Michelle.
Maligayang kaarawan sa inyo. Sa akin.
Kaarawan.
Kaarawan
Yeah,
is
it's your birthday.
Birthday.
No, hindi naman ngayon.
Sa
Hindi naman ngayon,
24 pa.
Pero maraming salamat. Kagabi kasama ko
Pantropico.
kayo. Yeah, thank you.
I'm gonna learn Pantropico
What's
soon.
that?
I don't know. People have been tagging me. Do Pantropico dance.
Dance.
TikTok.
Okay.
We're angle is not giving. Can you?
Me?
A little bit.
Can you do it then? You do
No,
it.
but then my angle won't. Not so giving. Also,
Parang chill.
I know what to do. Oh, better.
But I cannot see. I'm gonna have to.
3-in-1 happy kaarawan. Speaking of.
So you guys didn't watch the girls yesterday?
No.
I
I mean, I
watched-
saw snippets, and I have to
Highlights.
say, shout out to Cavite, Galing, BBB.
Actually, she was my.
Oh, yeah,
she was
Bacoor.
the best.
Yeah, Bacoor.
Right.
For you.
I-
Stacy looked great. She's so wow talaga. Stacy face card all the way.
Atiza,
Mm-hmm. Christy.
Christy.
I think I'm gonna step out of this review. Just
Bawal.
because
That's okay. I
can't.
didn't see it.
That's why I'm just keeping like a straight face. All of the
Yeah.
girls did well. All of the girls did well. I tried to watch the first half because I did have something last night. With all of my MMDvers actually, they threw me a party yesterday. So I watched as long as I could. I was having, I don't know if it was just me that was having troubles with the live, but
No,
It
it was
was,
really.
Parang
Glitchy.
glitchy.
I didn't know if it was my LTE or just the internet or something, but yeah, I couldn't really see everything smoothly.
Mm-hmm.
But I just know it was a successful event and all the girls did well.
Also, Anita killed it. I forgot.
Oh, the one with the super skinny waist.
Yeah.
Damn, her waist
She's
is
from Bales?
insane. Parang.
Yeah.
I heard Palawan also killed
Palawan
it.
did very
Palawan
good.
is like CJ Opiaza of our year. Like same like Palawan vibes.
Also, Miss United Kingdom, Christine or Tinay, she did really good.
Who?
United Kingdom.
How's Rian though?
Rian, I felt so bad for her with her story. Grabe. I mean, she was there for days. Literal
Dubai.
days.
I'm
I
shocked
mean,
by that.
They're
I
wild though.
I actually saw posts that was kind of expressing their thoughts and opinions about Rian's tweet, but I heard the story and I saw it firsthand, and she was there for days. And I wouldn't wish anyone the same experience. I'm just glad that she's home. I'm glad that they got back safe, and I'm glad she was able to attend my Angels Walk earlier. So despite that whole traumatic experience, she still made it.
That's a good friend.
Mm-hmm. I can't see anything.
Oh,
Advance
me neither.
Happy birthday.
Kwento ko na lang. I have my nails. I get it done by Extraordinaire. Pero I was carrying my bag to Singapore and naputol siya because my bag apparently was 40 kilos.
No.
It was.
No.
It
Did you
was.
get overcharged?
It was.
Or did you not weigh it?
No, the reason why it ended up that heavy was because it was good for 2 people.
Oh, okay.
The contents. Paalam mo. Paalam mo. Exactly what I'm about to do. Paalam mo. Only if you know, you know. It's literally a Showtime reference. Paano yung paalam mo? And then I just exited frame.
Ano ba dapat? Paalam.
Paalam na.
Ah.
Paalam na.
Di mo marinig.
Yeah,
Sumalinog
binulong na
ka.
nga ni Vice yung sagot. Mali pa yun.
What is sumalinog?
Huh?
Sumalinog?
Sumaya is dance.
Sumayaw.
Sumalinog.
Sumalinog? I don't know.
No, kasi someone said, Mau, sumalinog ka.
Legal. Thank you.
She can read all the comments now. Facts.
Yeah, you should go on Showtime. I think it's okay.